Alright guys, before we get into the video, I just want to take a minute to show you guys the problem I've been having when it comes to sending large files to someone that is not within my reach. Okay, so I tried sending the Flash season 8 episode 10, which is about 72 MB and it is 42 minutes long. Okay, I tried sending it to a friend through the WhatsApp platform. Okay guys, so this is what I'm talking about. Once you highlight the episode to send, WhatsApp is only going to select 2 minutes 50 seconds of the video and it's going to compress it to 17 MB. So WhatsApp compresses videos. Okay, that is why I created this video, to show you how you can send files without having to use Zender or using your Gmail. You can send up to 1 gig, 2 gig. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go to Play Store and type Smash File Transfer. Alright, so I already have the app installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on open. Okay, once you get to the app, you're going to click on tap to smash. Okay, so it's going to show you a list of video files, okay, that you can potentially send to the person you want to send a video file to. Okay, so we started with using the Flash season 8 episode 10 for our example. So I'm looking for the Flash season 8 episode 10 on my phone. Once you find the video that you want to upload, you just click on it and it starts uploading to the Smash server. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this. Alright, so it should be done about now. Okay, so once you get to this section, you're going to click on share and you can copy the link from there, or you can just share straight to any platform you want, like WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm going to use WhatsApp and I'm going to find one of my contacts to send this link to. So I'm just going to send the link to him. So let's say you are Vicky and you click on this link. What do you think is going to happen? Alright, so once you click on it, or once Vicky clicks on it, it's going to direct him to the Smash website. Okay, and he's going to get to a section which is going to be asked to tap to view the file which you uploaded. So it's going to show him the name of the file and it's going to give him the option to download. Okay, so you just click on that red button and it starts downloading. Alright, so this is one of the easiest way for you to send any file to any person around the world without having to use Zender or Bluetooth, or the person doesn't necessarily need to be around for you to do this. Okay, it only cuts your data. All right, so apart from that, this is a very, very efficient way you can send up to 2 gig of files. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate it if you can leave a like, also subscribe and comment. All right, thanks for watching the video and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.